Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and press the bell icon. Laravel 12 was released on February 24th, 2025. This new version introduces starter kits for Livewire, React, and Vue. However, all these starter kits are designed to work with Tailwind CSS. On the other hand, Laravel UI is a separate package that offers a simple and lightweight solution for setting up front-end scaffolding in a Laravel application. In this video, you will learn how to implement authentication using the Laravel UI package with Bootstrap 5 in a Laravel 12 application. Before getting started, make sure you have PHP 8.2.0 or higher, Composer version 2.8.5, and the latest Laravel installer 5.12.2 installed. Go to the directory where you want to install Laravel 12 app. Right-click and select Open in Terminal. First, let's check the installed PHP version. Type php-v and press Enter. Here, you can see that the PHP version installed on my system is 8.2.0, which meets the minimum requirement for Laravel 12. Next, let's check the installed Composer version. Type the command composer -- version and press Enter. Here, you can see that the Composer version installed on my system is 2.8.5. Now, to check the Laravel installer version, type the command Laravel -- version and press Enter. You can see that the Laravel installer version installed on my system is 5.12.2. If you have an older version of Laravel installed, update the Laravel installer first, using the command Composer global require Laravel /installer. Let's install Laravel 12 with Laravel UI. First, we will install Laravel 12, and after that, we will install Laravel UI. Type CLS to clear the command prompt. Type the command Laravel new your project name and press Enter. You will see a prompt asking which starter kit you would like to install. Since we won't be using any of these starter kits, type None and press Enter to proceed with the installation of Laravel 12. It will take some time to download, depending on your internet connection, so please wait for the download to complete. Next, you'll see a prompt asking which database your application will use. Since we'll be using MySQL, type MySQL and press Enter to proceed. Then you will be asked for database migration. Type No and press Enter. Next, you will be asked if you'd like to run npm install and npm run build. Type No and press Enter. The download is complete. Now, type cd your project name to navigate to the project directory. Open your project in Visual Studio Code. Open composer.json file. Here you can see that the Laravel version is 12.0. Now, let's install Laravel UI package. I've opened the GitHub link for the Laravel UI package here. First, we will install Laravel UI Composer package. Click here to copy this command. Click here and open a new terminal. Paste the command which you have copied and press Enter. It will take some time to download, depending on your internet connection. Laravel UI package has been installed successfully. Next, we need to install the front-end scaffolding. Copy this command to install Bootstrap Authentication scaffolding. Paste the command which you have copied and press Enter. It will ask the controller file already exists. Do you want to replace it? Type Yes and press Enter. The authentication scaffolding has been generated and Bootstrap scaffolding installed. Now, we need to run the npm install command to install the dependencies and the npm run dev command to compile the assets. But before that, let's create a database for our Laravel 12 app. Open .env file. Copy the database name. Go to your browser and open phpMyAdmin. Click on New. Paste the database name which you have copied and click on Create to create the database. The database has been created. Next, we need to migrate the database. In your terminal, type the command php artisan migrate to migrate the database. The database has been migrated. Now, let's install the dependencies using the command npm install. In your terminal, type the command npm install and press enter. It will take some time to install the dependencies, depending on your internet connection. The dependencies have been installed successfully. Next, open package.json file. In the dev dependencies you can see, Bootstrap version is 5.2.3, Popper.js/core version is 2.11.6 and Sass version is 1.56.1. Now, instead of using the npm run dev command to compile the frontend assets, we will use the composer run dev command, which will run both php artisan serve and npm run dev commands. Type the command composer run dev and press enter. You can see that the local development server for our app has started, and the npm run dev command is also running. Now, go to your browser and navigate to localhost :8000, and you should see the new Laravel 12 welcome page. You may notice that the welcome page is displayed, but the CSS is not applied properly. Let's fix this. Open welcome.blade.php file. Comment out the @if, @else, and @end if statements and leave the style block intact. Go to your browser, and you should now see the new Laravel 12 welcome page displaying properly. Click on the register link, and you will see the register page styled with Bootstrap. Click on the login link, and you will see the login page styled with Bootstrap. Click on the register link to go to the register page. Enter name, email, password, confirm password, and click on register to register a user. You will be redirected to the dashboard page. In this video, we learned how to implement authentication in Laravel 12 using the Laravel UI package with Bootstrap scaffolding. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Feel free to drop any questions or comments below, and I'll be happy to help. I will see you in next tutorial. Till then, stay safe.